positives, which actually before this assignment I did not know what these were, though I find that I use them all the time. Okay, and you'll probably notice that you use them a lot too. So we're also going to talk about pattern 6, which is a specific sentence type. But in order to understand pattern 6, we really need to understand the positives. Okay, so our learning targets for today, I can effectively use positives at least twice within my end of the day reflection. I can compose 3 sentences following pattern 6 by the end of the class. Okay? Okay, what is our positive? Now here's this wonderful definition. It is a noun, which is a person, place, thing, or idea, or a pronoun, or a phrase that contains a noun or a pronoun that renames the subject of the sentence. Now that's kind of our important thing right there. It renames the subject of the sentence. Okay, that's what I want you to kind of keep in mind. Now I learned best with examples, so I'm going to give you guys one example here. So this is from Hunger Games. It says, "Then I tend to his minor wounds, the burns, the stings, which are showing improvement." Okay, so the burns and the stings are the positives in this sentence. Now, can anyone tell me what they are renaming? Colleen?
Is it minor wounds or just wounds?
I think it's just wounds, because you could say that I tend to his burns and stings, right? Minor is just kind of a description in there. They're not as big as they could be, right? Okay, so I'm about to hand you out a sheet, and I'll come around and help. I know that this went really quickly. But I'm going to hand this out to you, and what I want you guys to do is I want you to underline the positives in the sentence. And it could be a phrase, so keep in mind that it's not just one word. It could end up being an entire phrase. And then as soon as you've done that, go ahead and turn to your neighbor. I'm going to come in, Jill. Go ahead and turn to your neighbor. And you guys can talk about the different answers that you got, or if your answers were the same, and then we'll come together as a class and figure out why you chose what you did. Now keep in mind, it's renaming the subject. So if you remember, within the sentence, there's going to be something like, so as you're, well, I'll let you guys finish. Yell at you while you're. To a broad themed building, right? Yeah. So it offers something a little different. And the reason you use the positives with the subject is because it gives more information. Yeah, it elaborates on it. So it makes it a little gives it a little more description, but it could ultimately be used on its own as well in place of the subject. Now, if you're finished, you can turn to your neighbor and kind of compare your answers, see if they have something different from you.
I circled it just so I would have reference if she can.
Okay.
So I think we agree on this one. Pearls, the 3 milky spheres. The second part, I wasn't sure about the way in which Mr. Bottle would attempt.
Yeah, when I got to that part, I should stop after bottle.
Yeah, I originally stopped and then I added it because it's part of like the whole phrase, but I'm not.
But if you just take, an elegant bottle, which is part of their home, because
Yeah.
Mr. Boulder kept Brandy doesn't really bring much to.
I guess this is more like an adjective phrase
Maybe.
or a prepositional phrase.
Yeah.
I think we're mostly in agreement.
Yeah. I just think the window seat just
Like
adds
cross it out.
more. The window seat just adds more description, and I just kept it at scorched.
Oh, I guess this is a prepositional phrase too. Okay.
I think we got that one.
A broad thick buildings, and then a short round man.
I didn't
Then
do
a
with the.
prepositional phrase. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and look up at me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So, Antia, can you tell me what you got for number 1?
Number 1, I underlined 3 milky spheres.
And what are those describing?
The pearls.
Right, so it's renaming the pearls. So ultimately, you could say, I took the 3 milky spheres out of my pocket, or you could say, I took the 3 milky spheres that Nereid had given me in Santa Monica out of my pocket, right?
So is it, Breanna, is it the whole thing then, or is it just the spheres?
In reading that, I'm thinking it would be the entire thing. Though I kind of want to say it's the 3 milky spheres because it's for pearls, but because Nereid had given me in Santa Monica, yeah. Yes.
Well, but you could say I took the pearls that Nereid had given me in Santa Monica. Like, you could put pearls there and it would make the same amount of sense.
That's true.
Which makes me think that it's not the whole thing, it's just the milky white spheres.
I took the
3 milky spheres.
3 milky spheres. Yeah, that's true. That's an interesting one. I'm not entirely sure on that. I had underlined the entire thing, though I can see what your point is too. So we can probably go either way on that. And then Heidi, what'd you get on number 2?
Okay.
Second sentence.
So I put traces of the enormous home is being replaced by fragments of the grand piano or an elegant bottle, blah, 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 scorched cushion, blah, blah, blah.
Exactly. So it's just kind of giving more. Oh, I like to think about positives. Yeah, they rename the subject, but they're used to give more information. So we're not just they could be in place of, but really they're just to give more description to it, right? Or it's to add more to your sentence. Did anyone have any questions on that one? That one was kind of a hard one. Good.
So it's that whole.
I would say it's that whole thing, yeah. So fragments, well, you could almost break it up too. Fragments of the grand piano, an elegant bottle. Yeah, it all works together to add more information to this enormous home that they've loved, right? That they've lost. And then Jennifer, what do you get for number 3?
So the butcher's shop is what's being replaced or renamed, and it's being renamed a broad 15 building.
Exactly, and did everyone get that as well? It's good, yeah. And then number 4, Kelly?
I underlined a short round man in a blue suit as replacing Mr. Bridges.
Exactly. Did anyone get anything else there?
I also did who was wearing a Lake Windsor hat pullover from Coach Warner.
Okay, and so I was thinking there would be a few who got that as well. The reason that I wouldn't underline that one is because you could say, Mom answered the door at 8:05 a.m. to a short round man in a blue suit, and who was wearing a Lake Windsor hat pullover, right? So it doesn't. You need Coach Warner there for that to make sense.
So if it said Coach Warner wearing, oh no, we need to pick that.
If it said something,
A tall man, a lady in her eye.
exactly, then it would work. So it's kind of interesting there. It needs to